In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a paper aeroplane. So you start up a paper like this one I'm holding, and the first step, make a half triangle like this. And second step, make a half triangle like the other one. Then flip it like this and do some this and this and make it a cone shape but bit different. Then flip it this over and it turns into this. Flip it over again. Sorry. Do this structure. You can see my hands. There's a triangle. Okay, you do this and flip this. The same as. And do this, this, and flip it over. I just and make a paper aeroplane. Let's go fast. And make a loop-a-loop. So like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that button. So